Hold on. You mean to tell me your lashes are only lasting a week? Come here, bestie. I got a problem with that. Tutorial time. Let's go. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't got to worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E-G. Y'all like hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. I'm L-R-E-E, fuck nigga free. That mean I ain't got to worry about no fuck nigga cheap. And I'm S-I-N-G-L-E-G. Y'all like hanging out the window with my ratchet ass friends. Getting somewhere, right? This is like 14 minutes in, by the way. So these are 16s. Now we're about to do the 14s. My lashes are short, so I like to do it this way so that they don't clump up together and then mess up. For me, this lasts longer when you do it this way. I did it this way, and my lashes lasted almost 2 weeks. I did it the other way you guys were doing it, and my lashes didn't even last a week. So cut it out, girl. Y'all already had me outside losing eyelashes. It's looking crazy. Wind blowing in the eyelashes, going in my eye. I think it looks better when I spread them out. So I was trying to spread out the lashes. So I'm trying to get directly on my lash line so there's no irritations. And I always do this one better than this one. The overlap on this one is on them headlights. She say she can't come outside today. That means she's scared, right? One thing I don't like about the bottom lashes is I just feel like they fall out too quickly. Like, am I the only one going through that struggle? Like, alright, so that was the tutorial. As you can see, sis got a little bit upset towards the bottom lashes. It just wasn't going the way I wanted to go. For the bottom lashes, I actually used 10 milliliters. I didn't use the ones that came with it. I snipped them in half. I could have cut them smaller. This side turned out better than these. A little bit too far down. As you can see, these are perfect. These are not. So, but it's still cute from far. Whatever. If you like that tutorial and you want to see more, you know what to do. Like, comment, save, share. And if you see this on TikTok shop, I will link the lashes down in the little box. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you like these lashes? Would you follow my lash map? Full. Are they giving like, what's it called? When you go to the salon? Not whatever. You know what I mean. Is it giving like individuals or nah, I tried it. Let me know in the comment section. Anyways. Bye, bestie.